right, bro?
Yeah, I think so.
Walk that shit off. Throw some dirt on it.
Put some dirt on it.
Want me pee on you? Just a joke, guys.
Oh, fuck, I went in my...
I'm not gonna lie, I really mess with this new GoPro. You can see your face. My old one was an 8, this one's a what? 13? All right, good morning. It's freaking 6:30. I went out last night. I'm here to pick up my vatos. Vato! I'm gonna need to grab a Red Bull. And my GoPro's dying. Look.
Que ellas van presionadas por pero también se le puede poner uno en la llanta.
Don't know if we going to my place or Hollerwood. I don't really care. Hollerwood's closer, pretty sure, but we shall see. All right, chat, bro. Change of plans. We at Hollerwood. I ain't never been here before.
I think that you guys will live over here. Like,
Yeah, we like you over here fucking them big ass rock crawlers.
Pendejo, there's not big rocks. You will see. Look, on this place, if you guys don't know that much, listen.
We following you, bro.
Listen to me. In this place, there are the trails for side by sides and the trails for their bikes. Like we always we're gonna pass a little, like a big creek, like a water.
All right, first time at Hollerwood. Hopefully y'all can see. I don't think this place is for dirt bikes, but we're here. I wish I brought my headphones. It's actually pretty good out here. I'd come back again, I ain't gonna lie. Let me know about this view, chat. Oh, hell. I almost lost my damn self. You almost fall. Huh? himself, boy. He don't know when to go slow or bless his heart. I need a fucking front new tire. Hey, Meta. Start recording. He couldn't get up that hill. What? Motherfucker. Best part. Not to yell. He fell?
Yeah.
Kaden! You good? You gotta use your feet, puta. Adios mío.
Apúrate, pendejo.
Say it again.
Apúrate.
Apúrate, pendejo.
Like that.
Monkey.
What'd you say?
I said monkey. Tampoco ahí.
Sí, se van a llorar. Right?
Don't cry, baby.
pissed, bro. I got stuck right, like. Nah, fucking Landon, fuck me.
What happened?
He stopped, bro. In the middle of a fucking rock. This is probably gonna have to go back down, bro.
My bike. I'm gonna look at it real quick.
Just do it, bro. Be about it. He wants to calm that. Be about it. You on cam now, 4K. I can see it. Come from back there, bro, so you can get in the power band.
Start from like right there and go. You're not gonna make it from there if you start. If you start right there, you'll make it up it.
You need to be all the way in that power band by the time you hit the bottom.
This is a gnarly ass hill. I think Tanner would even think this.
What? Are you crazy? It's hot. Show y'all where we at. I was mad at first. It's a nice place. Hollerwood. It's not too bad for a dirt bike. Nice place. Let's see if he's gonna hit it. You want me to go up there? All right. If you send it the right way, you won't have to. I'm not a professional though. Oh hell no, he's tripping. Hopefully he doesn't throw his bike towards me. That wasn't bad, gang. I'll go send the other one.
I'm gonna look at it. Oh my god.
Yeah, come back, turn, so you're right. Boom. I just hit that junk straight down. My favorite Asians.
Oh shit. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get it in time. I'm gonna probably go off that little big ass rock. And I'm fucked. I'm actually gonna break something.
No, you won't.
I don't think I'm gonna make it. Like, I don't
You'll
think I'm
make
gonna
it.
get in
Do
that
I need to get out of the way?
Huh?
Bro, you'll make it.
In that middle part?
Yes.
There's no way.
Well, go down the rock then, bro.
Go down the rock. Alright, I'm gonna.
You're gonna have to send it. You getting past that point.
Shit's scary, bro.
Want me to push you that way?
I got it.
Look at that. When you listen to Papicito. Oh shit. Oh my god. Are you good?
It's a bike.
How you feeling?
Pretty bad.
You alright, bro?
Yeah, I'm good.
Hey, you sure you're good?
Yeah, I think so.
Why the fuck are you doing an accident then?
Who?
Did the bike land on your foot?
Go get the bike.
I'm going.
Ooh, he's limping.
Hey, you got close, bro.
He fell the wrong way. Huh?
That was pretty bad.
He said that white boy's crazy. That's what he said, yeah. You good?
Hey, it's very recording.
You get on video?
Yeah.
Yo, you gotta send that to me. Yo.
What do you think?
Crazy.
Crazy.
It's pendejo. Crazy bitch.
Yo no quiero aprender esa pera.
That's gonna be the intro to the video.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, fuck.
You alright, bro?
Yeah, I think so.
Walk that shit off. Throw some dirt on it.
Put some dirt on.
Want me to pee on you? Just a joke, guys.
Oh, fuck, I landed my shit hit a rock, bro. Shit hurts.
Ooh.
Did you think you were gonna make it?
Oh, bro, I'm gonna try to hit it thinking I'm gonna make it. I'm not gonna doubt myself.
Did you just wanna win?
Bro, you
made it. I almost
you
made it.
threw it bad, bro. Like that's, bro. You gotta fall like this. You said, huh.
And then you rolled over.
Did I even get close to making it?